Hi everyone, it's Zuri FX. How are you? I'm doing a do your own dark skin scar wax homemade mini tutorial. So I hope you like it. And I know I look a little crazy and cute at the same time. I know, hey. But anyway, enjoy and I hope you make your own. Have a good day. Bye. Oh yeah, like, subscribe, and comment. All right. See you later. Hi, everybody. We're here to make do your own scar wax, and you'll need flour, Vaseline or petroleum jelly, one container. If I can find it, there it is. A little plastic bowl, and your color foundation. And this is a expired foundation, something that I will not be using. Okay, so I went into my petroleum jelly, scooped out a lot, and now I'm going to go ahead and put it in the bowl. And then this is how much I'm going to use. If I wanted to make more, I might put more in, but I'm good for now. Next, I'm going to go ahead and pour in the flour. I am not using any type of measurements. I'm just going by what I see, and that's what I have now. Now I'm just mixing together, and I'm going to continue mixing. It might take a while to mix. Once you think you're done, just keep on mixing. Adding some more jelly and mixing some more in to get the right consistency. Next, I'm going to add just a little bit of this Revlon foundation on. As you can see, it's close to my skin color. So I'm just going to put literally, oh, I might have put too much. All I wanted to do was put a drop in there. But what that's going to do is going to loosen it up a little bit so I can mix it a little bit easier. And once we get this consistency, we'll be good after we get this. I might go ahead and pick it up with my hand and mix it together. So I have this down. Kind of looks funny, right? Okay. It's like so. Add a little bit more. There we go. And after the flour and the jelly is mixed together correctly, obviously this is probably not correctly, but at least I'm getting the consistency by just going back and forth with it. Everybody, thank you for watching. This is my do your own dark skin scar wax for Halloween or any other special occasions you have that allow bloodiness and disgustingness. Zuri FX, please like, subscribe, and comment. Have a great day, everybody. Oh yeah, here is a speed up video of a cut I did on my hand. I hope you like it. Bye.